On the next section, we'll be talking about contacts here on SleekFlow's mobile app. On the top right corner, there will be the plus icon where you can press there and create a new contact. Essential fields include the first name and also the phone number. Please remember to select the correct region code or else you will not be able to send messages to this number. Other fields can be added if necessary to fill up your contact so it can help you navigate this customer easily. So after you created a contact and press save, it will be added into the contact list right here. If ever you need to contact a customer directly, but it's not shown on the inbox, you can find it here in contacts, press into the contact, and you can start a conversation with them by pressing the message icon. Here, you can also see the activity icons right here, so you can see what has been done by your team, the system, or particular users that have opened or closed the conversation. You can also do the call function, where you can directly give the contact a phone call as per the mobile app usage. And lastly, there's also the plus button right here to log in any particular activity to treat it as a note so that on the back end, your team can know what this customer needs directly. And all of this information can be edited for existing users by pressing the top right button, edit the information, then press save again to confirm. Lastly, if you need to search up a contact, also press the magnifying glass right here and type in the name of the contact, so you can find the contact as easy as this.